హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 8th క్లాస్ ఫిజిక్స్లో ఉన్న ఫోర్త్ చాప్టర్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సో వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ మెనీ చేంజెస్ అరౌండ్ us, like changes in the seasons, changes during the sunrise and sunset, and changes in the tides of a sea, etc. In ancient days, people thought that an invisible force is responsible for the changes in the nature. In most of the people nowadays also believe that an invisible forces exist whatever happening in the world. And in this video we are going to discussing the what is force and what are the types of forces. So what is force? For instance, when you ride the bicycle, most of the time your legs are pushing down on the pedals of a bicycle. That means to push you have to make an effort to move the bicycle. And one more example, you can just pick up your bag. Definitely you can make some effort to lift the bag upwards. So definitely you can just open the door also, you can make some effort to door knob to push the door. So from these all small examples we can define the force as a push or pull of an object is called as a force. It is a basic definition of force. So even small classes and like 6th 7th classes also we can learn the same concept, that is force is nothing but push or pull of an object is called as a force. Push or pull of an object. And what are the units of forces? Units of force. Units of force, we have a SI unit, at the same time CGS unit also there. So SI unit is kg meter per second square, or you can also call it as Newton. And CGS unit is gram centimeter per second square, or dyne. And also having a one relation is there, that is 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dynes. It is also one of the important relation between the SI unit of force as well as CGS unit of force. And now I am going to discussing about the types of forces. Types of forces. Types of forces. We have two types. One is contact forces. Second one is non-contact forces. So first one is contact forces. So what is contact forces? The force which exists, there is a direct physical contact between the two interacting objects. That means we are applying a force on the object by the direct physical contact only. That type of forces are called as contact forces. Contact forces means the force which exists when there is a direct physical contact between the two interacting objects is called as contact force. And in these contact forces there are some contact forces are the first one is muscular force, and the second one is frictional force, third one is normal force, and the fourth one is tension force. Tension force. So these are the contact forces. So muscular force, frictional force, normal force, tension force. Why these forces are called as a contact forces means in all these forces direct physical contact between the two interacting objects. So and the next one is non-contact forces. Non-contact forces is also called as a field forces or force at a distance. Force at a distance. Why it is called as a field forces and force at a distance? Because of non-contact. There is no direct physical contact. Non-contact forces means the force which exists without any direct physical contact. That forces are called as a non-contact forces. That means direct physical contact అనేది ఉండదు. అలా ఉండకుండా ఉండే ఫోర్సెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా అంటే దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చి మనకి ఏముందంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫోర్స్. Magnetic force. And the second one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. And third one is gravitational force. Gravitational force. These are the non-contact forces or field forces or force at a distance. సో ఈ కాంటాక్ట్ ఫోర్సెస్లో ఉన్న ఈ 4 ఫోర్సెస్ గురించి కానీ నాన్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఫోర్సెస్లో ఉన్న ఈ రిమైనింగ్ 3 ఫోర్సెస్ గురించి మన నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కంటిన్యూస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. మీకు కానీ ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.